Okay, so sa video na to, explain ko sa inyo paano hanapin yung standard equation ng ellipse kapag ang given directrices tsaka center. So ito, directrices x equals positive and negative 25/3, center 0, 0. So madali lang to. Tandaan nyo, ang directrices, ganito lang siya kunin. X is equal to a squared over c. Ayan, ayun na yung formula ng directrices, a squared over c. Ngayon, dahil alam natin yan, ay mali pala, positive and negative a squared over c. So dahil alam natin yung formula na yan, mahanap natin agad ng mabilisan yung equation ng ellipse natin. So ibig sabihin, a squared yung numerator. So ayan, ibig sabihin, a squared is equal to 25. And then c yung denominator. So alam natin na c is equal to 3. Okay, so dahil meron na tayong a tsaka c, pwede nating mahanap ang b gamit to. C squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. So pagpalitin nyo yung b squared tsaka c squared, okay, pagpalitin nyo, magiging b na tayo. Ayan, wait lang. Magiging b squared equals a squared minus c squared. Ayan, so palit nyo lang. Ayan, a squared is equal to 25 minus c squared, c is 3, so c squared is 9. So ang kakalabasan, b squared is equal to 16. So ayun yung need natin, b squared tsaka a squared. Ayun na. So center, ito na 0, 0. Ang center natin is h, k. So ayan, ang standard equation ay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals 1, plus may ilalim. Now ito, ang given natin directrices x. Ngayon, kapag yung directrix na given ay x, ibig sabihin ang a squared nandito sa ilalim ng x. Kasi ibig sabihin yung ellipse natin nakahiga. So ayan, ito yung standard equation. Palit nyo lang, h is 0, so buburay na to kasi 0 eh. So gagawin x squared na lang yun. And then k is 0 rin, so buburay na to, y squared na lang to. And then a squared, ito 25 given na. And b squared is 16. B squared na yun mismo b is equal to 4, pero yung b squared 16. So ito na yung equation na yun. Ayan, madali lang, basta tandaan nyo, ito yung formula ng directrix. X is equal to positive and negative a squared over c. So para maganda, isa pang example. Directrices ang y equals positive and negative 36 over square root of 5, center 0, 0. So same process. Ang directrix, y is equal to positive and negative a squared over c. Laging ganon. Kahit x or y, parehas lang sila ng formula. So alam natin a squared yung numerator, which is 36. And then c is equal to 5, square root of 5 pala. So ayan, gamitin na ulit natin yung formula ng c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Pagpalitan yung b at c, magiging b squared is equal to a squared minus c squared. A squared is 36 minus square root of 5. Okay, so 36 minus square root of 5 b squared. Ay, hindi pa pala. Sorry. C is equal to square root of 5. Kasi yung sa formula, c squared. So, ibig sabihin, need pa pala natin tong a square. Ngayon, tandaan nyo, kapag ka nag-i-square kayo ng radical, kahit anong radical, tapos may square root, tapos may squared sa labas, binubura lang yan yung squared tsaka yung radical. In short, ititira nyo lang yun nasa loob. So, itong square root of 5 squared, 5 lang yung matitira dun. Okay? So, magiging b squared equals 36 minus 5. So, 31. B squared is equal to 31. Ito yung dalawang need natin para mabuo yung equation, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals 1. Yan. Ang directrix natin, y is So, ibig sabihin, kapag y, nakatayo yung ellipse. So, ang a squared nandito yan sa ilalim ng y. Ayan, so a squared is 36. So, buburay natin to, gawin natin 36. B squared is 31. So, buburay natin to, gawin natin 31. And then, h and k, yung center, parehas silang 0. So, buburay na natin to. X squared na lang. Itong y minus k squared, y squared na lang. And yun. So, di ba? Ganun kadali. Basta tandaan nyo tong formula na to. A squared over C. So, A squared numerator, C yung denominator. And then use this formula. Kapag nagamit nyo yan, yung center, tingnan nyo. Then, ipalit nyo na dun sa may standard equation ng ellipse. So, yan. Ganyan lang kasimple ang paghahanap ng equation ng ellipse kapag given yung directrices pati center. So, ayun. Sa next video, hyperbolas naman, given yung mga ganito. So again, salamat sa pakikinig. Bye.